Deep within us is a secret language, written in the very fabric of our biology, DNA. This code isn't static. It's alive, dynamic, and constantly communicating with the world inside and around us. Imagine your body as a landscape, with rivers of energy and information. These are the pathways of our genetic code. The codon rings are central to this inner architecture, acting as keys that unlock different potentials within us. They're not just abstract ideas. They're real chemical structures orchestrating a symphony of biological processes. These rings are the master conductors of our development and evolution. Formed from the same elements as the universe, they link the cosmos to our inner world. Each ring holds a unique frequency, representing a different aspect of the human experience. Our bodies are more than machines. They're temples of living light, designed for a purpose we're only beginning to grasp. Exploring the codon rings is a journey into the heart of what it means to be human. By understanding this inner architecture, we can consciously work with our genetics and activate higher frequencies within us. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about becoming more of who you truly are. It's about remembering the spark at your core and letting it shine. The codon rings invite us to see the hidden patterns that connect us all. They offer a path of self-illumination. As we unlock these mysteries, we step into a new relationship with ourselves and the world. The journey begins within. Within our DNA are exactly 22 codon rings, no accident, but a number resonant with ancient traditions and sacred geometry. Each ring corresponds to one of the 20 essential amino acids, the building blocks of life, plus 2 stop codons, gateways to silence and possibility. These rings bridge consciousness and matter, translating cosmic energies into our human form. Each carries an archetypal theme, a story of struggle, liberation, shadow, and light. Think of them as a toolkit for building a human life. Some for strength, others for connection, beauty, or innovation. For example, Tryptophan is linked to well-being and miracles, proline to structure and endurance. Every part of our experience is touched by these chemical messengers. Your challenges and gifts reflect the frequencies within these codon rings. By learning their language, you become a conscious weaver of your destiny, not a victim of genetics, but a steward of a sacred inheritance. The codon rings are guides on your journey of awakening and remembrance. They show the path back to inner wholeness. The tapestry of your life is woven from their frequencies. Codon rings don't exist in isolation. They form chemical families, creating powerful bonds of resonance. This resonance isn't just within one person, it's between people, shaping the web of human relationships. Ever felt an instant connection with someone? That's codon ring resonance at work. When you share a strong resonance, you feel kinship. This is the chemistry of friendship, love, and partnership. These bonds extend to tribes, communities, and societies, giving each culture its unique flavor and collective strengths. We're all swimming in a sea of genetic frequencies, forming and reforming resonant bonds. Understanding this brings new compassion to our relationships. The people in your life are your chemical family, mirrors to help you see yourself. Friction and harmony are part of this grand genetic dance. We're not separate individuals by chance, we're interconnected by the invisible threads of our DNA. Our relationships are a dance of learning and evolution. The codon rings reveal the hidden architecture of human connection. We are woven together at the deepest level. Karma, the law of cause and effect, has a biological basis in our DNA. The codon rings show that karma isn't punishment or reward, but a natural process written into our genetics. The frequencies we emit through our DNA attract matching experiences. Imagine your DNA as a tuning fork. Your consciousness sets its vibration, and the codon rings amplify it. The universe responds by bringing you people and situations that resonate with your frequency. Karma is about resonance, not morality. Hold fear and you attract fear. Cultivate love and you attract love. Transformation is an inside job. By contemplating your gene keys and codon rings, you see your karmic patterns. You can choose to shift from shadow to gift, clearing karma at its root. This work ripples out, affecting the collective field. When one person raises their frequency, it lifts others. Humanity evolves as each of us takes responsibility for our vibration. We're not just clearing our own karma, we're healing the collective. The codon rings are the mechanism for this transformation. Our evolution is written in our genes. Humanity is evolving and so is our DNA. The old programming of separation and fear is dissolving. A new system of unity and love is emerging. The codon rings are agents of this evolutionary upgrade, retuning us to higher frequencies. This shift is natural, but we can accelerate it by bringing awareness to our gene keys and codon rings. Unity consciousness is the realization of our interconnectedness with all life. As the higher frequencies of the codon rings activate, the illusion of separation fades. We begin to see ourselves in others and others in ourselves. This is the next stage of our biological development, a unified species. The codon rings guide us home to ourselves and each other, dissolving boundaries. As we awaken, we build a world based on compassion, creativity, and love. This isn't a distant dream, it's encoded in our cells, waiting for us to claim it. The journey to unity is the codon ring's ultimate purpose. Our evolution is a collective adventure. We are the pioneers of a new humanity. The future is within us. Let's step into it together. Among the 22 codon rings, one stands out, the Codon Ring of Miracles, linked to Tryptophan. This ring is a portal from the mundane to the miraculous, inviting us to question reality and believe in magic. Miracles are events that defy our limited understanding, moments when the extraordinary breaks through. The shadow of this ring is hunger, the feeling that something is always missing, keeping us trapped in lack. When we shift from hunger to adventure, our frequency rises and new possibilities open. This shift tunes our DNA to surprise and wonder. The Codon Ring of Miracles activates and synchronicities and grace become visible. The true feast is within. Miracles enter when we let go of lack. Life becomes an adventure and magic finds us. The miraculous is always waiting for us to see it. What blocks miracles isn't the world outside. It's our own limiting beliefs. These beliefs are chains, creating a prison of the mind and defining the boundaries of our reality. Activating the Codon Ring of Miracles means breaking these chains and daring to believe in the impossible. Miracles bypass our conditioned mind and reveal a greater reality. To allow miracles, we must let go of control and be open to surprise. Surrender is the secret, not force, but openness. Consider the story of a woman who let go of her belief she couldn't have children. By releasing the story, she opened to a miracle. The miracle happened not through force, but through surrender and trust. The Codon Ring of Miracles works through openness, not willpower. When you relax your grip and trust life, you become a vessel for the miraculous. You invite the universe to surprise and delight you. The impossible becomes possible when you let go. Miracles flow where there is space. Surrender is the gateway. Let life amaze you. How do we open to miracles? By reclaiming a childlike heart. Children see the world as magical, with no rigid beliefs about what's possible. This state of wonder activates the Codon Ring of Miracles. As adults, we build layers of doubt and cynicism, shutting down the portal to magic. Awakening is about unlearning seriousness and rediscovering your playful spirit. Blend wisdom with wonder. Hold responsibilities lightly. Find magic in the mundane. When you approach life playfully, your energy shifts and you become more magnetic. Miracles show up in small ways. The perfect timing, the right connection. Embracing your childlike heart is a daily practice and a choice. The Codon Ring of Miracles responds to your openness. When you choose wonder, you signal your DNA that you're ready for magic. The universe joyfully responds. The Codon Ring of Miracles reveals that you are the source of miracles. The power to transform your reality is encoded within you. Awakening this power is the greatest adventure. You are a co-creator with the universe. Every thought, feeling, and action is a brushstroke on your life's canvas. When you allow miracles, you create openings for others to see what's possible. Your courage inspires collective awakening. We change the world not by fighting the old, but by embodying the new. Imagine millions activating their Codon Ring of Miracles. Miraculous solutions would emerge. We'd build a civilization reflecting our true beauty and spirit. This world is waiting to be born through us. Look within, nurture your wonder, and let it grow. Dare to believe your life can be miraculous. Your awakening is essential for all of humanity. You are the miracle. Let the adventure begin.